Step 1. Remove all loose material from the area to be repaired and sweep it clean. In icy conditions, remove all ice from the area. Step 2. Pour Aquafalt directly into the area to be patched. Unlike other patching products, Aquafalt is free-flowing for ease in placement and leveling. Level off your Aquafalt so that it sits roughly an inch above the surrounding area to account for compaction. Step 3. Saturate the Aquafalt with water. Aquafalt's proprietary eco-friendly binder reacts and hardens with only water. Unlike other patching products on the market that use petroleum-based solvents and harmful volatile organic compounds as binders, excess water will not damage the material. You cannot use too much. Step 4. Compact to a smooth finish with a hand tamper, vibratory plate, or roller. If the compacted material is below the level of the surrounding pavement, simply spread more Aquafalt, pour more water, and recompact. It's as simple as that. Pour into the damaged area, saturate with water, and compact. And because Aquafalt begins to harden right away, roadways can be open to traffic immediately. It looks professional, binds with only water, and begins to set up immediately.